welcome back to another amazing video, everybody. As always, it's a blessing to be here. My name is Crypto UL with UL Exchange, and welcome to this channel. Today, guys, we'll be talking about the Flare network dropping 70% down in price action, and how also XRP is getting ready for the biggest rally it has ever had in the history of XRP. By that being said, guys, let's not waste any time. Let's just get straight into this video. So first thing we're taking a look at will be the cryptocurrency market cap in general. And it's sitting at $846 billion. The 24-hour volume is $47.2 billion. Also, dominance in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum gas fees hovering around the same thing. Not much of a huge difference. So the market is up 1.36%. But what's not up is the Flare network, as we'll be moving into that right now, guys. Take a look at this. This is the monthly chart. We're taking a look at the monthly time frame. And if we go to the daily time frame and we zoom in a little bit, you already see the red candles. So this is no joke. But I'll also explain to you guys why that happened, how it crashed, what the reason, quick background history on what Flare is and what they're set to do and what the Flare airdrop has to do with us as XRP holders. But as you guys can see, it's basically a 71.09% drop between the past day. And if we're just including Monday alone, that's also around 66.73%. So that's a huge drop, but again, it's expected. Huge drops in prices of markets, specifically in the crypto markets, when an airdrop happens, when something huge news happens, something that has to do with fundamentals mostly rather than the technical side aspect of it, then we can understand a huge drop or huge price action to the bullish side momentum. So we're taking a look at this, and it's, I have been saying that it will drop, and it makes perfect sense because if we're taking a look at this, it is a bearish signal. Even if this candle didn't drop, we'll still be waiting for it to hit this moment. So it's just a perfectly bearish signal. And I also wanted to show you guys so you would understand that this is technically meant to happen, and don't be scared about the price. But also a lot of selling pressure has happened, but the price was coming down prior to the selling price. Now we'll be getting into the article. So in late 2020, when XRP was sued, or technically Ripple was sued, the company, for distributing XRP as a security, so-called the SEC claims. So in late 2020, the Flare network attracted a lot of attention in the Ripple XRP community. The creators wanted to open up the DeFi space for Ripple and announced an airdrop of Flare tokens for all the XRP holders. So this is where Flare comes in with the drop of the airdrop of the tokens they're doing. And it took over 2 years, December 2020, 21, 22, over 2 years for this to happen due to some background issues. Or was it really issues, or were they waiting for the case to be coming close to an end? And I always mention that Flare distributing the tokens is a huge sign that we're coming closer to the end time of the XRP lawsuit. So the Flare token distribution event is in just 24 hours. Flare Networks tweeted, and they said it starts 23:59 UTC. As you know, it has already started, and we see a 71% dump. And also, airdrop for XRP holders is finally here, or is it too late? Who knows, right? But again, it's always better to get it than not get it. So now, as we're getting it, it's still amazing to see. But take a look at this. For every one XRP in the snapshot taken in December 2020, 1.0073 Flare will be airdropped today. But only the first 15% of this amount will be distributed via airdrop. And that's also a smart decision to make on their hands, because if they just distributed the whole 100 amount for each person, imagine this, if you have 10,000 XRP, this is basically 10,000 Flare distribution. And at the price of it being around 35 cents, you will crash the markets as fast as you can, So to be more safer, 15% of this amount will be distributed, or was distributed via the airdrop, and then the remaining 85% of the tokens will be paid out in 36 monthly installments. So a couple people hit me up saying, hey, why didn't I get the full amount of the flare distribution? And this is basically the reason. And I'm making this video as an announcement for you guys to understand why you didn't receive the full flare token distribution, but also how you should be aware and not be flooded out because of the price drop that we're seeing. It's very, very expected when huge fundamental news like this comes out. And people have been waiting for over 2 years, so the selling pressure is hitting it hard. Don't take it to the extreme, guys. Don't be flooded out. Again, if you want to hold on to your flare, you can do that. If you want to sell it, you make the final decision. This is not financial advice. Now we're getting into the XRP getting ready for biggest run in crypto history, XRP whale. As we come down here, the real XRP whale tweeted, XRP is getting ready for the biggest run in crypto history. 2:50 a.m. January 8th, 2023. Clip this clip, to be honest, guys, because that day or this day will be very, very interesting. By the time of next year, as 50% will be on CBDCs, we'll see the true potential of XRP climbing slowly and probably passing minimum $5 to $10 by the end of this year. So interestingly, in the follow-up tweet, XRP Whale stated that the Securities Exchange Commission, the SEC, was hurting millions of investors with frivolous lawsuit and was hurting America's innovation beyond anyone's imagination. Additionally, towards the end of the tweet, he said, XRP is not a security, quote unquote, we will win, all exclamation point loud. So, again, guys, this lawsuit is fake, in my personal opinion, in my perspective, my digital perspective. But this lawsuit also dictates how the price will be acting in a public view. So when the lawsuit is over, maybe the price will pump, but I'm seeing it before even the lawsuit, the price should pump or should sell, because there needs to be a price action before the lawsuit ends, because if the lawsuit ends, the price goes crazy overnight, that will indicate to the judge that Ripple news or news around XRP can make the XRP price go up. And that's not what Ripple, the company, wants, because that's also what they're claiming. Is that whenever there's news, the XRP price pumps up and pumps down. So there needs to be a price movement up or down before the finalization of the lawsuit and then after, just to stabilize it. So since mid-November, XRP has been trading in a bullish wedge. When considering the chart below, the token has been testing the 200-day moving average. At first, XRP touched the 200-day MA and later on it intercepted the 200-day. Finally, XRP broke the moving average of the 200 and rebounded on it. So we can also take a look at the chart for the XRP, and I'll show you guys what we're taking a look at and where we can see the price go on for the next couple weeks. So now we'll go to the daily time frame. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay. Yeah, you see all the red candle. That was a drop from around 51 cents to all the way to 31 cents. Or was that 32? Yep, 31. Okay. So XRP, we're on the daily time frame. We see that it has broken above this downtrend momentum. But what is it doing? It's having a strong resistance up here at the price of 35 cents. And it's been testing it 1, 2, 3, 4. This doesn't count these 3. And then the 5 right here. And we have 25 minutes left before the daily candle closes. So we're taking a look at the 4 hour. We can see, you can kind of say it's like a hammer. And that means that it's rejecting the top. And also, this is the 200 moving average, the blue line here. So it seems pretty correct what they said. It's been rejecting that sign, but also rejecting the resistance level set at the January 2nd, 2023. And also another resistance level set around December of 2022. But guys, this may seem like an uptrend for you, as you see it just going up like this. And it could also continue to go up in this trend, but also, so you can see it just going up like this and then keep going up, breaking this resistance, 38 cents, 36 cents, come back to around 35 and then going up. But I believe that's highly not even possible right now at the current state, guys, because we're taking a look at so many rejection zones for the resistance, leading the price to come halfway, which is around the 50% mark, even if we move this here, halfway to the what? To this rectangle that we have set for the resistance and for the support. So we see a lot of movement, action, and price in XRP and in Flare, but do not let that distract you from the main purpose and main goal, which is us focusing on the long-term investment return that we're looking at with XRP and how it will be involved in the new quantum financial system that is coming up very, very soon, near every single person in the world. By that being said, guys, I'm your host, Crypto UL. I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. I hope you got some airdrop, as it was locked and Snapchatted on December 2020. Hey, if you didn't, it's all good. Hold on to your XRP and let these bags be filled. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, God bless. Peace out.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that did deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you talking and where you walking, or you and your homies might get lined and chalk. I really hate to trip, but I gotta low as they croak.